What's going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to show you a preset pack which contains animated textures for your element 3D test, and you can use it in any project you want. So in this video, kindly check the video description, check my PAYHIP. You can download the file for free. It's on my PAYHIP. So after you download it, make sure you import the project into whatever you are doing. So this is the animated texture element 3D. So just drop the project file into your project that you are doing. Let me show you how you are going to use this. So just let's start from scratch. So just create your new solid and add element 3D to it. So now go to the project and now choose any texture that you want. So now let's go for, like, you can add many as you want. You have one like this, you can also have another one like this. So let me turn this off, and we'll have another one like this. You can add so many to it. So now just turn it off. Now go to your solid, the solid with the element 3D. Now go to custom layers, custom texture maps, select your text. Now go to custom texture maps and select the texture that we chose, the two. So I'll select this, and I'll go to the second layer too, and I'm going to select the fourth one. So two here. If you add another one too, you can go and select it from. So let's add. So I've added the third one, and now let me go to the solid, and I'll go to the fourth one here, third one here, and I'm going to select the fifth one here. So all these textures here, well, we have loaded them in the custom texture maps. So if you are done, just click on, let me turn on. So now in element 3D, just go to extrude, and this is your text, and you can go into your preset and choose any bevel preset you want. Most of these are defaults. If you install element 3D, these are all default bevels, so you can choose any one of them. So any one of them. So with this, after choosing any one of them, just go to the extrusion model, select any of the bevel here, and with this you can just turn off this to see the material here, and we can now use it as what we want. So with this, I just go to the diffuse and just choose the custom layers we selected, choose any of them. So you can see you have it here now. You can also select it for all of these. So now let's go to for the color too. You can choose any color we desire. So just go through and choose the color you want, and for the intensity you can increase it, you can bring it down, so you can see. So and now let's go to this and turn this on. So with this, you can also use another texture for it. So now let's go to the Z offset and just push it back just a little bit like this. And now with this, let's go to and change the texture. So let's go for this, let's go to number 3. So I'll select the custom layer 3 and this 2. So you can see from here, this is what we have now. So, and mind you, this is all animated. So if I play this, you can see now all this are animated, and we just use only this texture. So imagine you don't have shaders for your element 3D. Please download this pack, this project, and just place it inside your project you are working with, and just choose any of this texture here and use it as your material. So you can also change the texture here. So if you go back to the element plugin, so I can also add another texture. Let's go for something like this, and let me turn it off. Go to your solid and now go to custom. So with this, I'll go for this is number 6, so number 6, and let me change this to number 6, so you can see. And let me change this to also number 6, so you can see you have this nice looking texture here. So all depends on you just choose anyone you desire. So basically guys, so these are just texture you can use for your element 3D. So if you don't have pro shaders, or if you just want a animated shaders for your materials, for your text, these are the pack you can use. Just go to my PAYHIP and just download it, drag the project file into the project you are currently working. Just go and test all of the textures here. They are very nice textures here. Choose the one you like and just use it. So if you don't want the animated texture to, you can also use a single image map. So you can use the single image map. So basically guys, this is it. So just download the project file on my PAYHIP and use them in your edit. So these are different textures that you guys can use for your edits. You can always change them using the custom texture maps. So basically this is how. Okay guys, thanks for subscribing to my channel, and also thanks to the comment you guys gave me in my recent edits, and there's a new edit I'll be uploading maybe tomorrow, so guys watch out. So also follow me on all social media, Mr. Harris. So guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you download this the project file. And so with this this is the Red Giant dashboard. This 2026 version. First was having the Red Giant dashboard in a different way, but this is currently the 2026 version. I think this looks very nice. So if you have updated your Red Giant plugin, you are going to get the dashboard. All you have to do is just go to Windows and just go to Amazon Studio, and you have it here. So guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next tutorial. Peace.